Stop by and take a look at the 2006 Ram Pickup 2500. The Ram 2500 is built with sturdy hydroformed frames and capable four-wheel drive options to handle the toughest job site terrain while maintaining a smooth ride, and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers, keyless entry, cruise control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.